This video will review the steps involved in removing and replacing the ice bucket from the freezer compartment of a Monogram side-by-side refrigerator freezer. To remove the ice bucket, place your left hand under the bottom of the ice bucket and your right hand supporting the lower front corner. Gently lift the ice bucket straight up about 1/4 of an inch. Then pull the ice bucket straight out. To replace the ice bucket, make sure that the auger fork is in the proper position to receive the auger bar at the back of the ice bucket. The auger bar must slide into the auger fork. The best way to identify the correct positioning is the lack of a gap between the ice maker and the ice bucket. To replace the ice bucket, lift the ice bucket and place it in the support brackets on either side and slide it into position. If the auger bar did not slide between the auger forks, the ice bucket will not go all the way back into the freezer. If this happens, then reposition the auger bar and reinsert the ice bucket.